Are you not sure how to control your app's battery use on your Samsung phone? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage app battery usage on your phone. Method 1. Using app settings. Open up the settings, scroll down a little bit, then find out the apps. Scroll down again. Now tap on any app like Facebook, then scroll down again. After that, tap on battery. Here you'll find 3 options: unrestricted, optimized, and restricted. Now you can choose any option that you want. Method 2. Using home screen app. Go back to the home screen. Press and hold on any app like WhatsApp. Next, tap on the eye icon. Scroll down a little bit. Here you'll find the battery also. Now you can choose any option from here also. That's it for now. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy.